everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. If you don't know me, if you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my review for the Waveformers. As my current subscribers may or may not know, and my new people watching this video who definitely do not know, I am a Facebook sponsored post whore, and I was scrolling down Facebook one day and I saw an advert for these lovely things, and I saw lots of people in the comments saying how they actually work. So I was like, wait a damn minute. So I clicked on the advert that was there courtesy of Tree Prime, who is the company that I bought them off. I'm pretty sure you can't just search them up on the site, they're like a weird, shady site. But they delivered, so they can't be that shady, can they? I ended up paying £26.58 all in, and I actually ended up buying 2 packs, one for each side, because I was pretty sure that one pack would not do my hair. Or if it did, it'd just do massive clumps, which I don't want that, okay? I want nice clumps, okay? I paid £21.60 for both packs of those. I'm pretty sure if you bought 2 packs, they give you a little discount on it, so that was good. And then I paid £4.98 delivery, which is fine with me. It looks really good, so I'm willing to pay 25 quid for it, including delivery. I ordered this product on the 23rd of May and received it on the 10th of July. So it took like a month and a half, which isn't that bad, so I'm not even gonna complain. Certainly when I'm pretty sure this stuff came from China. Like, I don't know about you, but anything I order off Facebook most likely comes from China, if it's cheap as hell as well. Now I'm gonna go off camera and then I'm gonna get a bath, wash my hair, come back and show you guys how to put some of these in. Right, so I'm back from a bath and now we're gonna make up the little tool that you gotta use. So this is the bottom, these little half bits. You just basically slide those in there like that and it's pretty easy. Okay, I spoke too soon. Okay, we have our first piece. We have our things. We are go time. What you do is you shove this in there like that and it goes all straight and it pops out, and then you actually I was actually going to watch a video before I did it, but we're going in blind. Okay, let's go from the underneath. And then you just pull it. Wait. Well, this broke in half. This is harder than I anticipated it to be. Give me a minute, I'm gonna have a look at some YouTube videos and see how the fuck to do this. So as you can see, I successfully put one in with the help of Amber Answer, I think her name is. I'll put a picture of her channel there, because that's where I learned how to do this. But it's not as easy as people say. It's actually quite a bit harder. I don't know if it's just me, but this little device here, it keeps like snapping into pieces when I'm actually trying to pull the hair through. So this lady, she twisted it round so that she could get the hair easier. Then she hooked it up. It hooked on properly. Ugh. Okay, this is bad. Untwist that. See, this is a lot harder than this is making out then. And then you just pull that and then see, it snaps off. But I can grab this bit here because I did this last time, and then it just brings it all the way through. So the only fault on this one, ow, it's a bit tight on the edge there. Just trying to pull my edges out a little bit, because that hurty. And you don't want it to be stressing on your edges or you'll go bald. Yeah, I should have started from the back maybe, because now I have 2 things just right in front of you, just taunting me the whole time. It's just because I want my hair to actually look good. I'm actually going somewhere tomorrow, so it'd be nice if it looked nice. And if it don't look nice, well, I'm like an idiot all day. twist, 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 twist. And then you wanna get that in there like that. Okay. I didn't snap this time. I found my technique. I found it. Found it. Oh, we found the technique. Boys, found the technique. I'm glad I got this length. My hair is like... Well, that is a significant difference, isn't it? But my hair is pretty long in these. So hopefully it will be long when it comes out. Oh my god. If my hair is all stretched out and long, I'm gonna be so happy with this. I'm gonna do it all the time. Such a beautiful, beautiful thoughts I'm having right now. I hope this works. Oh my god, how the f am I gonna sleep in these? Like hair though. Like I don't know if y'all remember like Betty Spaghetti. I'll put a picture of her if I can find it, but Betty Spaghetti been real quiet since I posted this video. Right, I'm gonna come back when all of it's done. And then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's all in this. I'll see you guys in like 40 minutes. So I'm back after like an hour and a half. I had to redo a few of them a few times because obviously I'm not really used to actually doing this. I think that people I've actually seen doing it have like maybe done it a few times because I don't know if I'm an idiot or I'm just stupid, but it took me ages to get the hang of it. Certainly like these top ones, they were so hard to put in. I have no idea why. One thing I do have to say is this it kept coming undone. So I ended up having to like tape those parts where it became undone because it just wasn't working at all. And now I'm just gonna go to sleep, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna show you guys the whole removal process because supposedly it's just like you pull it straight out. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Night. So as you guys may or may not be able to tell, it is now the next day. Oh, sleeping in these was a fucking nightmare. I went to bed at like 2 this morning because I had to be up for 9, and I'm pretty sure I got up at like 4 o'clock this morning and I was up for like 2 hours, and then I went back to sleep for another 2 hours. So this is definitely something that you need to like get used to. I'm pretty sure if like I saw some lady, she boiled them, maybe that would make it more, I don't know. Maybe that would make it more like easier to sleep on, but honestly like I'm tired as fuck, okay? I got places to go. I guess I would have been tired regardless, so what can I really say or do? So hey everybody, welcome back. So now it's the moment of truth. Let's take these bad boys out. Okay, let's do this one first. Oh my god, look how wavy it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna, every time I take one out, I'm just gonna spray some of this on it. I got it in like a little pack that I got. It says it's an instant defizzer. So, may as well use it just in case anything tries to frizz out on me. Okay, so these are way easier to take out than they were to put in. Way, way easier. Like, look, slides down. Spray it a little bit, boom. Okay, so that's all that side done. Oh my god. It looks amazing. I don't know if y'all can see that, but oh my god, look at it. It looks amazing. Okay, let me do other side. Ugh. I'm dying from this stuff. It's proper like getting in my nostrils and that. If you're gonna use this stuff, use it in a well-ventilated area because I am breathing this in and probably dying every second I spray it. So this is what the Waveformers look like just out. Literally gonna die. Makes my hair look pretty long. Nice at the bottom. Proper love this. Jesus Christ. This is really gorgeous. It makes my hair look so long and it keeps it curly. And it required no heat whatsoever. Now I'm just gonna put some oil on it on both sides. In my opinion, as the day goes on, the curl will obviously fall out more. But altogether, I am pretty damn impressed with this product. Like, I don't know about you, but this hair looks absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at that. It's got like hardly any frizz in it whatsoever. I bet it would have worked better if I put like some styling mousse on it. But obviously that's for next time. I've learnt some things now. I don't know about you, but I think that worked pretty damn well. I think it's gorgeous. So I think that's everything. I am so happy with the result that these Waveformers have given me. I can't wait to see how long the results last for, because if it doesn't last for long, then it kind of won't worth my time. You want to be in my video?
Which one?
The next one I'm going to put out.
What are you doing like?
I've already, this is it. I'm showing off my hair, showing how after 2 hours, this is how much it's dropped out, this is what it looks like.
Oh.
This is my hair 4 hours after the Waveformers. So this is my hair the next day. I'm pretty sure that I should have maybe put some styling products in it, like some styling mousse while it was wet. You guys can see how long it lasts and how it looks just using the product on its own. I still like this style though. My hair looks longer than it would if I just left it to naturally dry, and that's about it really. Don't really know what else to say. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, share with your friends, I don't mind. And if you'd like to see any more hair videos, just comment down below and let me know, because I'll totally test some more hair stuff. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram name is amberjade.hunter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys later. Bye!